Sabina from BED 1C. Today, tatalakayin natin kung paano nga ba isolve ang FOIL method. Pero ano nga ba ang FOIL method? F stand for first, O stand for outer, I stand for inner, L stand for last. Meron akong example dito which is ang 2x plus 4 multiply to 4x plus 6. Ang first step is i-multiply natin ang 2x so 4x is equals to 8x squared. Second step is i-multiply natin ang 2x sa positive 6 is equals to 12x. Next step is ang outer, which is ang positive 4, is i-multiply natin siya sa 4x, which is positive 16x. Then, yung positive 4 is i-multiply natin siya sa positive 6 is equals to positive 24. Since may parehas tayo na variable dito, i-add natin sila. Pero, dahil walang same na variable, ang 8x squared is i-bring down na lang natin siya. Then, 12x plus 16x is equals to positive 28x. Then, yung last number is i-bring down na lang natin siya. Then, ito na yung final answer ng FOIL method.
So, next example is same procedure kasi may isang sign na naiiba which is ang negative. So, first step is 5x multiplied to 6x is equals to 30x squared. Second step is 5x multiplied to negative 2 is equals to negative 10x. Then, third step is positive 3 multiplied to 6x is equals to positive 18x. Then, positive 3 and negative 2 is equals to negative 6. Then, since may same tayong variable dito, isasubtract natin siya dahil hindi sila save ng sign. So, is equals to positive 8x dahil kukunin natin ang may mataas na value. So, itong 30x squared is ibababa na lang natin siya. Then, itong last number is i-rewrite na din natin siya. Ito na yung sagot.